Okay, so here we are on 3D, part 3 of 3 of the geometric constructions, which is it's the constructing shapes inscribed in circles. So in this section, I'm reading off here things in the what do you call it? This color. We have an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon that we're going to be constructing inside some circles. So let me go ahead and put this up here. And then I've got the dot cam on as well. So it says the steps to draw an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle. They're going to go, so draw PQ, which they show down here. Place the compass needle on point Q and draw a circle with a radius equal to point Q. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that. It says place compass needle at point Q and draw a radius equal to PQ. So let's do that. So with my compass, it's a little hard to see. I went ahead and drew a circle. And then it says after that, keeping the compass with constant, set the compass needle on point P and draw an intersecting circle, an arc intersecting circle Q. So there. And it says, then going in the same direction around circle Q, draw an arc intersecting circle Q, and just keep repeating that. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm making the arcs. See how I'm doing that? This should actually land right here. But since it's not, I'm going to just correct it a little bit. All right, and so it says once you've got the intersections, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. It says keeping the compass width constant and set the compass, wait, we got to that part. Repeat the previous steps until there are 6 intersecting circles. We got that. Starting at any intersection of the arc with circle Q, connect every other. So in this part, he says every other intersection. So what you're going to do, if you look over here on the side, so what I'm going to do, connect, skip that arc, and connect those two together. Skip that arc and go to here. And then from here, we're going to go over there. And that is how you create a triangle within a circle. I'm going to skip down here below. Not that one, but this one. Here, they're showing you how to do a hexagon inscribed a circle. You're going to basically do the same thing that I did here, except this time, you're going to go ahead and connect all the intersecting arcs. So, and that'll give you a hexagon inside the circle. So right now I'm doing 2 examples, one on top of the other, just because I've already used all the arcs. Might as well use them again. As you can see, I'm connecting all the arcs this time. And it's going to give me a 6-sided hexagon inside the circle. So, and then there's the triangle. So let's go ahead and pause this. So now we're actually going to go up to the second example here. Construction of a square inscribed a circle. So Okay, in this one, for the second example, construction of a square inscribed in a circle. This came up as a question for a lot of you guys on your practice or in the in the exam. And some of you guys got this right. So it says, okay, draw AB. Place the compass needle on one of the endpoints of NB. Let's go ahead and switch that over to the file.cam. And so put draw an arc, set the width of the compass greater than half of the length of AB. So that's the half right there. So what I'm going to do is just come out like maybe over here. And keeping compass width, place the compass needle on the other needle endpoint AB. It said draw arcs above and below the approximate center of AB. So here we go. 1, 2. Oops. We're going to do the same thing over here with point B. And cross it down here, down above and below. Keeping the same compass width, place the needle in the other endpoint of AB, draw arcs above and below AB, draw a line through point C and D. So what they did, let's see, they labeled this C and D. So they said draw a line. There you go. After you draw a line between point C and D, you are going to, then what? Place the compass needle at the intersection of B with its perpendicular bisector, set the compass width to point B, and draw a circle with a diameter equal to AB. So I'm going to get this. Now that we got the cross right in the middle, perpendicular of AB. There we go. Once you draw your circle, you go ahead and label points E and F. And after that, you just connect the points. And you get your square inside of a circle. Let's see. And something like that. So, and that will do it for this lesson. Let's see. So I hope you follow that along, and it's actually not that hard. It's with a compass and a straight edge, and you can do a lot of copying of angles and polygons. So let's see. Go ahead and press pause.